In this video, I'll show you how you can create a group on your Steam. Now, first step is you're gonna log into your Steam account. From in here, up in the top left corner, you can see your name. You're gonna hover your name and find groups. Now go in here, and from in here, you will see the groups that you're part of, and you can leave them. But if you see here at the bottom, you can press create group. So I'm gonna click on this and see what happens. Now from in here, you can select a group name. It can be anything. Let's just say I want to call it like this. Check availability, and it says the group name is available. Now, an abbreviation is simply a short name for the group. So I'll call it TT for test, and the same with numbers. It says it is okay. Now from in here, you're gonna make a group link, and this is basically the link that you can give to people if they want to go to the group directly. I'll just copy the group name and check if it's available, and it is. Now from here you can choose if you want it to be public or not. Public group means that anyone can see it and join it, but let's just say I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna click create right here and confirm that this is correct. It is, so I'm gonna create it. Now, once you're in here, you can give a bio to your group, a headline, and you can choose the language, country. You can also select the games that's associated with your group, and most importantly, you can choose a picture. Now, from in here, you have all the admin tools here because you're the admin, which means you can invite people, you can edit the permissions, and you can remove people. Now, that's basically how you do it on Steam, guys. It's super simple. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.